Hey lovely suits, it's Z here. Thank you for tuning in today. If you're into beauty lifestyle kind of videos, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell button to be notified every time when I upload. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up to get me to do this kind of videos weekly, and don't forget to comment down below about your thoughts about today's topic, right? So this is a plug, guys. I'm plugging you in. So we are all on social media, right? So when we are all on social media, why don't we get paid to be just on social media? There's a new app called WebTalk, right? WebTalk pays you to socialize, right? You post things, they like a picture. For every like that you're gonna get, you get points, which means payment. You get paid for sharing, you get paid commenting. Every comment that you get paid, which is a lovely thing. But this app is very new, so they need people. So for referring people, you get paid, right? There's a free it's free, right? If you want to upgrade, you gotta pay some little bit more so that you get more points, and then you get higher quickly, right? I am doing a free one because I want to check how much I'm gonna make for free, right? I don't want to pay anything because it's lockdown, recession, guys. The unemployment rate is huge. It doesn't cost you anything, so I want you guys to check it out, WebTalk. So here's the video about WebTalk. Okay guys, after watching that video, please there's a link in the description box. Please join with that link. It's gonna be easier for me. And please guys, you get paid for this. That you don't have to contribute nothing. It's not a pyramid scheme. They pay you. So guys, I think it's just an easy money. Just to socialize, it's an easy money. We do that every day. We're always on FB, green app, the bird app. We're in everywhere socializing, when even here on YouTube. So guys, please join in for that quick bag. It's not gonna be easy because it's a new app if you're doing it for free, but if you upgrade to the pro, guys, it's gonna be like easy money, really easy money. Hopefully I'm gonna do a follow-up on this app soon. So thank you very much for tuning in today. Leave your comments down below on what you think about this app. Have a lovely lockdown. I got to go. Z really loves you.